multi-stream before. Browse. Huh. Doesn't even show I exist. The hell kind of multi-stream am I doing if I don't exist? Now there's the pain for me being in there. Loads. Minecraft, but worse. That password was incorrect. Oh, whatever password I saved on Google is not correct.
What was that?
Oh, well, I got it just by putting it in manually. Screw the Google password keeper. For my email? Well, got the thing for YouTube, so that's good. Well, no, it is. I just don't show up when you search my username. Recent broadcasts, a minute ago. Cool beans. Anyways, we're gonna set up the good old server now real quick. I appropriately named the project. What am I doing? And we're gonna hijack their script here. We'll give it 6. Oh, that's max. We'll give it 6 to 8. It's just easier to do this. Alrighty. So we'll do ELA, update the properties. We'll start getting on this stuff. Looks like it got to that point. Yeah, we'll do Visual Studio. It's just nicer. Already true that. I can spell. And we need to just change some simple port stuff. Should be 6.3. 6.3. We need an Archon password. Here it is. Amazing. Alrighty. Good to start it up and get started on the bot side of things. Alrighty. So we'll create a new file here. We'll do bot.py. We'll just store some of our randomness in here so it's not cluttering up. Let's see. So we'll do, if I remember correctly, yeah. So Archon is the IP. Okay. So localhost 25575. Don't need those no more. Our password is amazing. Alright, so that should get that stuff. I kind of stole this from one of my old bots, if I'm being completely honest. The start of it. Do as... I always hate coding while like streaming or showing it off or whatever. And I always like mess up. I become like 10 times worse. So I believe if I were to start this right now, it would come online. I'm gonna make another command here real quick. Beforehand. It's gonna be update GitHub main tree. Otherwise I have to manually do it. What am I doing? All right. Alright, so basically, this updates the commands because they don't do that automatically. You'd have to like run this at startup and restart it every time or whatever. It doesn't automatically do that except for every so long. So it just kind of forces the update. And then hitting Control R refreshes your Discord session. And you have to refresh in order for the bot to happen, so this is easier than switching accounts or just closing and reopening the whole app. And ephemeral, I don't know how to freaking pronounce that, ephemeral. Basically that makes it so only you see the message, removes clutter. So, if I run this, hopefully no error. Oh, computer refused the connection. Did I do something wrong with my 25575? Ah, there it is. You have to enable Archon. I'm just so used to copying all my servers over. I also forget how fast the vanilla server starts up compared to all my modded ones. Alrighty. Now if I do it, it should be able to connect. Login failed. So if I do query daytime, it's going up pretty quickly here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna nimwit that forgot to do with it. Trash can. Get a data pack. I'm not that big one. Okay. Well, I bet you average here would send him what? He wasn't lying when he said he just zoned me out. Let's do this data packs. There's one called real-time clock. This is what I want. No, sorry. I throw this to my data packs folder. Let's trigger the toggle. That time is nothing like what I got right now. So we are gonna fix that. Why do I have a phantom monitor attached? So, where is my good old friend? Yes, good. We'll just do it this way. Place, and we'll do timers. I don't know which ones we'll have in the future. So this one we are gonna call Minecraft IRL time. We're gonna need the Archon. So here we're gonna import I'm too lazy. So there. Archon async. Async. I hate coding while streaming. Alright. So we're gonna need date time as well. Date time. Date time. Dot now. Then seconds equals. So now I gotta remember how to do this. Date time dt minus dt dot timestamp. No. And now we pull a little bit of cheating. Gamers.
You know, I didn't realize I was muted this entire time.
You've been muted this entire time.
Yeah,
Damn. Bro
that's
is...
funny. That's
So,
crazy.
so they don't have to know that you're thinking I was a nimwit.
I called you a fucking nerd.
Damn. Even though I never got my thing working, I still don't know why it was not working. There we go. Hour equals 0. Minutes. Damn, input lag. I even have it wired. Second equals 0. Alrighty. So that should, yep, that gives us seconds. Now, we got to format to ticks. This is where it's fun. A Minecraft day. If I come here, and I time set 0, 6 o'clock. Time set 1000, 7 o'clock. Time set 2000 o'clock, and so on. So, you can take the 24,000 ticks in a Minecraft day, MC day. I should be commenting these. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do my explanation here in the line. With 24 hours per day, that is 1,000 ticks per hour. There are 3,600 seconds per hour. So if we want to find out the second to tick ratio, we can just do 3,600 divided by 1,000. So that will give us 3.6. So here we'll take our seconds total divided by 3.6. And that would give us our game time, but everything is shifted by 6 because of how 0 equals 6 o'clock. And then 1,000 equals 7. And then so on. So what we're going to do is also subtract 6,000, or yeah, 6,000 from this. Then seconds are less than 0 because we can't do negative. We add 24,000 to make it basically lapse into a new day. 1,000. Oh, let's do nothing. We also want to round this or integer that whole thing. So we don't want decimal. We don't want to round it up either. So now we'll just do await archon.command time set seconds. And an important thing to note is I should probably do game rule do daylight cycle false. Game rule player sleeping percentage 101, which disables sleep. Now, all I should have to do is come here and make a task loop for it. So, just trying to, yeah, okay, that's easy enough. Client. Dang it. Easy enough, I say, as I freaking loop. Tasks dot loop. Why Why do I have so many spaces there? I want this to be seconds. Every 5 seconds it'll update. MC IRL time. Wait. CT timers. MC IRL time. The Archon being passed through. And then, oh wait, asks dots or the IRL time dot start should do it. If I did it correctly. I'm being botted already on Twitch. Amazing.
What?
Cheap viewers from some random website.
Oh, those kind of bots.
Yeah. Oof.
Yeah, just ignore them.
Oh. I did my thingy wrong. I think. Oh, I shouldn't have closed out that error. That error would have actually been really useful. So right now it is 306, so it should say 1506 when I get it running. Ha. From the right file, that helps. Time dot time seconds total. I see. That does not return an int. Let's make it an int. I believe. I'm professional programmer, can't you tell? Yeah, okay. See, I love when I redo things, because then I just, like, do them wrong. Amazing code. What did I do? Oh, that's important. I completely overlooked that. Total seconds. Shouldn't even need this no more. Stupid int. Okay, I do need that though. There we go. I'm the smartest cookie to ever cookie. With that 1508, look at that. Now it is synced. The time has synced to my clock. Keep doing that. As the bot is running. There is a bit of a error. Here there shouldn't be much, just because I am on the same device. Client and server. Oh, actually the server is a different device. But me and the bot are the same. Alright, this is just you can see it already did. To try to accept is just sometimes the commands fail to run. And I want that to crash the whole system. Yeah, part of the error comes 1, when the command fails, it will take another 5 seconds, and 2, depending on how it starts, it could be within 5 seconds off. One of the issues I had when I was testing that initially was my clock on the computer I was running the bot and the one on my client different. They were not synced. So that caused enough issues. And now it should be automatic. I should be able to go here and display seconds. Is that a taskbar? Might be a taskbar thing. Ah, you can see it switched right there. Oh, like that's task manager, not taskbar settings. I know what I'm doing. Display seconds. So I guess it isn't time. It used to be a thing. So I just don't know what my setting is. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about it, but yeah. Seconds just off. Anyways, what should I add next from real life? What kind of system? Could do economy. Permits. Well, I guess I kind of rely on the economy. I guess that'd be the next add. That's the first thing civilizations do. Currency. Amazing. I wonder how much of my own code I'm going to end up spilling throughout this. 1511? 1512, yeah! Clock is working. That's great. Alright. Economy time. You know what? We'll just do a set amount. So we are going to add some new commands now. Past that for now. That's the code. I think I should be adding permissions to these, but who needs that? Okay, so if I go over to here now, oh, wrong server. Okay, Minecraft Wetworth. So theoretically, oh yeah, all those are old. Does that make me leave a call?
Fuck!
Oh, it does make me leave a call when I do that. Alright. Amazing. And yeah, I need to sync it first. So here we'll just have to restart the bot, but that's easy. I don't even think I need the wait function on that. Scripting matter. Capitalization matters. So I'm gonna be swearing again here.
Fuck!
Amazing. Demonetized when I'm not monetized in the first place. Haha. And you can now see my commands are here. The old ones are gone and the new ones are in. Now I just gotta make them do stuff. For that, we're actually gonna put the code over on this side now. Maybe. Okay, does that. Alrighty. Actually, I need to make another file. Just for organization. Discord extras, add. Common resources. Alright. Amazing. We'll need Discord. Discord. OS, and our favorite, Jason. I'm checking out Git. These are Git members. Let's do that. Person running the command, somebody else. Alrighty. And here, we want actually we'll go without. Alright. Name. Name. User ID. Server. They're ready. The database. See, I know what I need. Server user name server folder database. Let's get info. This one's just the basic get info. Alright. Old code for the win. $3.20. Yep, time's still working. Still got live time. Sun barely moving. Without shaders, you can actually see it. There it went down a pixel. And again, amazing. Couldn't ask for more. Now money. We're gonna add money. We're also gonna add debt. We're gonna add credit. We're gonna add a lot of stuff. Permits. You're gonna have to get a building permit and a mining permit. So that reminds me. Might as well set everybody to adventure mode. Yes. Let's do that. Oh, I think I never enabled command blocks. Is there a way to reset the default? I don't think so. No, there is not. So we'll just do game mode adventure. Everybody on default is adventure mode. Amazing. Alrighty. So you can right off the bat get the server and the user ID. The name. Server folder. Not name. Server folder. Database. Right off the bat, though, these don't exist yet. So we'll get to that issue when we get there, which is very soon. Anyways, we want all that to be i.guild.id i.user.id. Then server folder and database, actually. We'll not do those yet. I'll just add them first. So we're going to add another folder. I'm going to call this one Discord. There it is. Files. We'll do files. Good enough. Actually, not yet. We are not going to do that yet. We want the guild ID. Actually, there is an easier way of doing this. You know, I could just make my life easier. Copy this whole file over. Where's the fun in that? I'll probably do that in the future, honestly. Speed things up. We don't need an alt statement either. Return, crash, instead of crashing. Then get ready. Now in here, we are gonna want this back. And path. Do I really want the path though? Time's still ticking. Cool. Glad that at least works the way it should. Actually, we don't want to withhold. We don't have the file yet. So we're gonna do the database file right now. So we want a JSON. What did I set path to? Yeah, okay, so we want path. Just open path slash main db.json. Then path. Gotta make this a f string. So main db json. Is f data equal to. Okay, so this is the fun part. We're adding all of these fun things to make Minecraft as annoying as possible. So we're gonna have inflation. Can't go wrong with inflation, okay? You got people making money, you gotta do something. So inflation is gonna start out none. No inflation at the start. Said actually 0.01, I forgot. Gotta give at least 1%. Don't want 0% inflation, because then it's when I do the math later, then that just equals 0. I mean, everything's free. Alrighty. Got inflation, we'll add user data. It's a list. Got nothing there quite yet. And so inflation, permits will go into the user data. And we'll add that thingy later. Comes to add user. And any shop was part of user data. Gonna be stores. Inflation can't be the only thing. What other economy things? So in the user data, that's gonna be things like freaking credit scores and debt and everything. So inflation really the only outside factor? Because then the nation's file is gonna have the national debt in it. I guess I could add permit prices. Permits. Why did you steal my quote? Alright, permits. We'll have a build. Match my quotes. Alright, so we got build. Actually, this could just go into the whole prices JSON file, can it? Screw that. Get away. Get out of here, permits. That is one file I am actually gonna steal. I ain't retyping all that crap. Freaking prices file took me ages to create. Ain't no way. Never am I recreating that file from if something happens and it thank God, I thought the prices file was gone. Like, if that thing's gone, I am never remaking it. If this thing gets destroyed, and then I thought it got destroyed somehow, I was like, well, oh, well, I guess there goes this whole plan. Screw the economy, I guess. Documents, what am I doing? Discord extra, not Discord, Discord. Prices. .json. And here's why this one is so fun. Oh, look at all those beautiful items I've added. Oh, That's not even all of them. I don't have it updated to the copper age or anything. I don't think this has been updated since like 1.20.4 or 21.4. But why don't we just come here and add permits? It's so long that VS Code doesn't even render it. Oh, almost 40,000 characters long. Gosh, more than I thought. So we got building. It's gonna be priced at. What would you say a good price for a at regular inflation? So everything's priced as it should. What should a building permit be? Because this is per month. You don't just buy it one. You gotta keep playing if you want to keep your permit. You know. $5,000. You gotta get $5,000 before you can build anything. I'm a menace. Mining permit in order to break anything below Y level 60. Right to add. We'll do. You know what? Resources, you can make money off that. So we're making this one 7,500 per month. So what is that? $12,500 a month if you just want to mine and build properly. That's not even counting inspectors. Yes, we're adding it out. We're making this real life. You're escaping real life to go back to real life. Gotta get this past the skeleton state first, though. Yeah, like I said earlier, probably gonna just copy that code, so I'm gonna just copy that code. Who cares about it being authentic? I wrote it already anyways, it don't matter. Common resources. We're just gonna copy you. And we're just gonna say, goodbye to this one, and hello to this one. Amazing, look at that. This has all the files worked out already, and, oh boy. What is this up here? Inflation? Oh boy. Inflation is here. Oh, this is great. Oh, I remember all your interaction now. Yeah, go back. And we're just gonna come back. And we're just gonna steal a bunch of my other code. Like, what's the worst that could happen by doing that? Besides it being incomplete. We don't want to do add. We don't need the bases. Yeah, database. List old server. We don't want to register a user. Do we? Yeah, well, we don't need that. I want this to be sped up. I want to get to the interesting part. I already have a bunch of the stuff figured out. Why do I want to do it again? Content, good. Boring content, bad. What has this been? Boring content. Database commands. Register was the last one. Oh, reset server. We won't be resetting the server at all. Economy commands. This is where it's at. We're just gonna yoinkity splank a bunch of this. As a wise man once said, yoinkity splank. Tax bill. Yeah. And now we got like the entire, oh, that like broke everything. Ah, missing imports. That explains it. So what do we still need? Actually, I don't care what we still need. I can just copy that too.
Alright, I'm gonna head out. I got some of the things I need to go do.
Skill issue. Amazing. How's time looking? Still tracking. Okay, so that stuff should be added now. So if I rerun the bot, go back into Discord, and slash update command tree. That's if it didn't crash. Oh. Wait, what? Hey, where'd my VS Code go? Rude. Can't believe it just closed on me like that. Who does that? Wait, it won't open. Yeah, VS Code. Buddy? You gonna open? I don't think so. I think I gotta. Oh. Rest in peace, Visual Studio Code, I guess. Oh, it worked its way onto a different monitor. That's what happened. I don't know why I have a third monitor. It's being registered for some reason. Holy buckets, VS Code. Calm down there. Not that serious. Anyways. I don't need this command either. Now if I run this with common resources is not... Oh. Duh. Helps put in the right spot. Slash update command tree. Now we should have our economy as well. Oh. Oh yeah, I don't have it responding to I. Oh no, I do. Oh well, who cares? As long as it works. I don't want... Go away. What? Thanks, Discord. Anyways, did that work? It did. Oh yeah, we got the economy too. So not only do we have real time in Minecraft, 343. Now we also got money. Amazing. Now, just gotta make sure it works properly, and we can add a debt and permits. Right now, you can't do nothing until you get the mining permit. So yeah. And make sure I can add the server. Damn. I am... Man. That's why you don't steal your own code. This is not hooked up to a website. So I'm going to just remove that. And... head files. Where is the website? We don't want you. Goodbye. And down here too. Where are you? Right here? Not no more. Goodbye. Beautiful. You're mad at me? I don't even know what that is. Goodbye. Amazing. That's how you fix some broken code. You just delete it. Easy as that. W. Didn't realize it actually added. Oh, it did add it. Oh, amazing. Oh, look at that beauty. Lottery. I forgot about the lottery. Taxes. We got lottery. Got inflation. Amazing. Start scamming people pretty soon. I just gotta add myself. Add user is CM Mind Game. Amazing. Look at that. Now I'm in here. Oh yeah, prison. Like this is real life right here. Real life. That's what we're doing. See, I got a shop. I got no lottery tickets. I'm not clocked in. I got no money. But this is gonna change. This variable right here, this will change in a little bit once I add debt. So we'll have credit accounts and we'll have loan accounts. It's gonna be great. Oh, I should add interest too. Oh ho ho, look at me go. So now what I need to do is I should be able to clock in right now. Yes, sir. If I clock out, I now got 63 cents. Yeah, amazing. Don't worry, there's taxes taken out of that. 12 cents was taken to taxes, which contributed to our inflation. If I get enough money in here, you'll see this amazing thing. Inflation. It's 1%. But if I just go into my money real quick, where is it? And I just give myself a crap ton of money. I need to do something that will make it go down. So I'm gonna bank, I don't know, deposit $1. Yeah, let's do $1. Yeah. It's actually selected it. That's dumb. Shut up. Why'd you put the one over here? Discord, be nice, man. There we go. Now if I do inflation, it should be fine. That's just a little bit. Just a little bit high. Oh, that thing moves so slow. It's amazing. Real time in Minecraft is amazing, I will be honest. Probably gonna suck at night because you'll be hunted by monsters for 12 hours, but yeah, as long as you live in the same time zone, you're fine. So if you're not from the central US, I am sorry, but you are or Canada, central Canada too. I'm sorry, but yeah, you're gonna get mauled for your entire time on the server. Good thing it's not public. Yet. Maybe I should do that. Make this public so that everybody can suffer. So, let's see. What else do I need to do? It's for item. Oh, yes. I need to make it so you can buy permits. So where is that at? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. FP. Pay of it. Who does that? Permits. There we go. Perfect spot for it. Buy a permit. We already added that to our file, so amazing. Ready. Permit. And this will be monthly. Every month, you're gonna be losing your money. It's just what you gotta do sometimes, you know? You want something, you gotta pay for it. You wanna build, you gotta pay for it. Just like real life, you gotta build for it. If you're only planning to build for so long, you just buy a 1-month permit. It's just that easy. So, for our arguments, we're gonna have, of course, the Discord required one. Ew. Then we'll have type is oh shoot, what why am I blanking on it? Oh shoot, why am I blanking? It's I'm so mad that I'm forgetting what it's called. Type. Typing out literal, I think. And then we want building and mining. I think it's typing out literal. Yeah, typing out amazing. I got there eventually. And we'll have it default to building because or mining. Ooh. No, I'm not gonna make a default one. And we'll do length. Now the best part about this is if we go to prices. We already have it in here. But the best part about prices is it's tied to inflation. Anytime you buy something, it gets multiplied by inflation and tax. So, amazing. You'll get taxed on your permit, which you're getting from the government anyways. Like, it can't get any better than that. I am going to have to change the code in a while. Once we get to nations, the money's going to go to the nation instead of the one, but I don't have nations added yet, so skill issue on my part. So real quick, server, use ready, name, folder, database from common resources dot load, get info. Alright. So, first off, yeah, let's check to make sure we got enough money for that. This is actually a great place to steal stuff. Ooh, yeah, the buy command. I have that. We're just gonna steal some of that code from down here. I do have to rework that a little bit. I removed it, I'm re-adding it. We don't ask questions. Except for why some stupid drive called H has no disk and keeps getting detached and reattached to my computer. Amount? Nah, we take that by length. Buy a permit for a specific amount of months. I was originally gonna make it so it was like a subscription. Then I realized you might not actually need a building permit for a very long time. The only time you need that is for like if you're doing a mega build. So we're just gonna make it so it expires. So if you don't pay, screw you. We don't need this. A bunch of the stuff we're gonna be removing. Cost equals inflation times data times length. But before we do that, we're gonna do Permits? What are you doing, man? Permits. Amazing. Times the length. I don't think we want that there. Here we want the type. I'm pretty sure I made them capital. I did. Amazing. If money, if economy, all right, yep, economy, money. Wait, well, we're not telling them that through Minecraft this time, though. Wait, I dot response dot send message. Also, why am I doing it this way? Who does that? And mineral equals true, so others can't see it. And we do not care. Tax account goes up. You know what else also goes up? Actually, the tax account is just one thing. So in theory, I should be able to just add the freaking cost. Boom. Just add those together. We are good. Oh wait, I can actually really make that simpler by just amazing. I'm a smart cookie sometimes. Only sometimes. And we don't care about this. We do care about this. Bot type of bot building permit for Fortress, Texas. Yeah, so for length, months. All right. So now we just got to store that data. DB user data user ID, and we'll just store it in their own little spot. Permits of type and length. If I can spell, plus equals length. Amazing. So now they'll get it, but I need to format the database to match that. So I put it in just a regular thing. So user data. So we got base, dimension, A, B, C, D, E. This is permit, so it's going to be pretty much right at the end. Right before prison. I do capital or lowercase? The capital. Permits. Got building, and we got mining. Amazing. building, we have length. Ooh, leg. Of 0. In mining, we have a length of 0. So right now, if you want to do any mining, it ain't happening. Oh, if I want to do any mining, it ain't happening. And I'm just actually going to kind of steal this. And we'll add it to the common resources in the add files for a user. I have add user at. Oh, I guess I don't have it in there. It's in the main bot. Amazing. I know how to organize things properly. Add user. Yep. Prison is right here. Oh. Where did I forget to steal something? No. Oh, did not mean to hit that button. Ah. Didn't want that. So you match up with here. Oh, so I just have an extra one? No, I don't. Purple to blue. So I need one more. No. I want one here. I see. I see. That must be why this one is wrong. Because I never fully surrounded it. Oh, it still doesn't like me though. Permits. Building length. Oh, because I don't want that one there. That's what it is. Just go back to before I pasted it. That was it. This one I didn't want? Yeah. There we go. Fixed it. You need a new player? They're going to get that. So I should be able to rerun this. / update command tree. Probably going to say command not found. Or that. I think update will work. No, I don't even have that one in there. All right. Refresh. / permit type building length 1. Oh, amazing. Cannot unpack non-iterable coroutine object. Eh? Oh. Heh. Another smart cookie oh, I didn't want that. Another smart cookie moment. I totally remember to await that. Price. Permit straight below it. Or above it, sorry. And it should be awaited. I did not mean to send that yet, but oh well. We should be able to try it. No? Oh, did it do anything? It did. It did do something. Didn't say nothing, but it did it. Yeah, we got a length of 3. And we got a length of 4. We're buying the permits. I just realized a complication. Adventure mode is like just adventure mode. So how do I make it so you can only mine or only build? I know you can add the tag to items, but you can't modify them if they're on the player. So if they grab them out of like a chest or break a block. Oh, right. But if they have a mining permit, they break a block, how are you supposed to get that to have the data tag on it? Ooh, fun. Logistics. I could just make a loop that detects if they're holding a item missing. Oh, but how did they do building? Ooh. Complex things. That clock is a little bit off. That clock is a little bit more off. Did it crash? Hey, it updated. Why did it take so long? It's 5 seconds. It should not take 12 seconds. And I have no other timers running yet. It will. Future me issue. Okay. So now to make it functional, we are going to need another. Actually, we don't need another timer. We can just reuse this one. It will be checking it a lot more than it needs to. But hey, as soon as midnight hits, it's gone. So, timers. Oh, did I delete those? Hopefully not. Nah, it's in here. We already have the date time. So, we can do now is strif it. tt.strif time. And I always forget what their stupid formats are. Amazing. I don't know why the whole thing didn't show, but okay, year, month. So we want month. We need day. So we need %m, %t. Both lowercase. Gotcha. %m, %t. Right next to each other. Actually, we'll put it that. And that means we'll need to add another thing to our database for time tracking. Last removed. And we'll do and then the same thing over here. Hitting multiple keys. Last removed. And 0000, and I'm gonna let my cat out of my room. Darn thing. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm going crazy. Here we go. Alright, so we got ooh, I just realized this. We're gonna have to go through every user in every server. This is gonna look pretty messy now. So for server and OS, and we're gonna need the OS. I just did that here. OS.walk. And we're gonna even need the directory. So os.walk there. Is it still not gives the 3 different ones? So I don't want the root or files. I think it is. So for root, there's and files. .walk or user. That will be nicer for player in the database. So in okay, I see where I'm going wrong here, but I'm gonna finish anyways. I love when I'm trying to do 5 things at once. Anyways, JSON.load. I don't know, doing F. Everything in there. So, player data, user data, if player economy, no, it was in permits. Permits, or permit in player permits. If permit so we're gonna check with 0 first. Length equal to 0. Pass. Is that semicolon? Else. Oh, return, actual return. We don't need to keep running. Return. And run player. If string. Oh, it's already a string. If player. Okay, I'm gonna do that. If player. Get you up front. Last removed. Is equal to our current. Then we want to not equal to current. Is not equal to current. Permit remove permit length subtract 1 and permit last removed equals that should do it. And then we need to save data. I was just working backwards. I believe that's good enough. Oh, I don't like how it's not doing that. I forgot what I need to throw into save it directory. Logs. So db equals db. So he's doing db equals db when dealing with the other files. So we will now come here. See if it's probably gonna error out. I doubt I did it right first try, but we'll see if this changes. Yeah. Discord district. Oh. Yeah. But what's the next problem? What? Is it completely ignoring this? I betcha. Which if I did that. This would be 4, 0, 0. That's a trailer directory. What am I doing? Yes, and I gotta follow it through here as well. So the main one we actually want to focus here is we got 4 and 0, 0. This is where we want to focus on. Debugging is fun. Another error. Yep. That's a list, not a dictionary. That's easy enough to get through, though. What's one is that at? Wait, hold up. There's not a single, wait. So are braces. So if this one's failing, then the other one should be failing too. Hey, what? How the hell is this one working, but this one isn't? Anyways. Well, let's do enumerate. No idea if it's gonna accept that. I'm gonna laugh. Oh, I'm gonna laugh if it does. That'd be kind of hilarious. Yeah. Except I'm in the wrong spot. Should be on the end. It would be over 1. Nah, I don't want to run that one though. There we go. Doing this one well to crash. It's on. It's not working or crashing. To accidentally put it in an everlasting loop. Oh, nope. It just decided to take a long time. Is it the same thing here? What's the difference between user data is a dictionary? And then Permits is also a dictionary. So I don't know why it's not. They're like literally the same thing, just different names. But a Python, that's all the difference it needs, I guess. So we'll just do the same thing here. The list is probably also gonna fail. String indices. What's features? Oh, it thinks it's a string. But you'd be wrong. So out of curiosity, if I did that, what was it gonna do now? Ooh. So we're gonna do my favorite thing in the world for debugging. That'll teach me real quickly on what is happening. List index add it right. Ooh. Interesting. It's just giving me the name. It's not actually giving me the data with it. Okay. We'll do this a little differently again. Permit in. Yeah, we don't want any of that no more. We don't need that. Permit in player. But instead of that, we just shove this in front. And then the next one. Wait, there is not a next one. Amazing. So now we try this, it should give us something useful. Hopefully. Oh, not a string. I meant the variable. It's taking its time. How's Minecraft doing, by the way? That's still mostly within sync. Even if that crashes, it should still sync the time. That happens first. So we'll know when it runs and crashes when the time updates. Come on, VS Code, you got this, man. You just gotta start it up, you know. There's only one user right now. There we go. You did it. Oh. We're doing this again, huh? Which is really weird that it's doing that. If I go through my economy, that's like all I do. Yeah. Oh. Never mind. That explains why I'm able to do it that way. Basically turned into an alias. Okay. Never mind then. We're just gonna do that same thing here. Don't mind me. Just doing some legals. There we go. Don't mind that little thingy at all. It doesn't exist. 38. It took me over a minute to do. Damn, I'm slow. Hey, loaded. Where's my error? There we go. What do you mean length is not part of it? Yeah, I think it is. It's right. Oh, yeah, no, it's right here. It's literally right there. So we're gonna do my favorite thing again. Print permit. Oh, that gives me an idea. I should add a make us you need a driver's license to ride a pig or a minecart. That'd be a little funny. XYZ dimension. Oh, the hell? That's for the bases. That's right here. Oh, I forgot to specify permit. That'll do it. That'll do it. Permit. Permit in, yep, just data player. That's not gonna do it. We need permit. We need permit in front. Or Kermit. We'll take Kermit too. Permits. There we go. Amazing. That should hopefully work a little bit better. Let me see what that guy wants on my phone. 2 messages. Why does this guy send me 2 messages? 4. Oh, it's behind. Oh, because it probably crashed. Yeah. It, wait. Unhashable type dictionary. Did I do it the wrong way? Did I flip it? That'd actually be funny. If I flipped it. No, I did not flip it. People's... But that's what I do over here. I do that same thing over here. Oh, I love when this breaks. Oh, hey. Look, okay, ready? I'm gonna comment out this part that's broken. Real quick. And I'm gonna show you what it does. Alright. So right now, if I do time set day 7 o'clock. Alright, if you look at my clock in the bottom, it is currently 4:42 in 24-hour time. That is 16:42. If I run this, if I kill it first and then run it, if you watch the clock, as soon as it loads, there it is, 16:42. And every 5 seconds it checks my clock and it'll update the time accordingly. So the sun is basically moving in real time. Yeah, I give it a few seconds. It's been very slow today. Like, non-synchronized. I don't know. Like failing the command checks. Yeah, they're switched over. But yeah. And if I zoom in on it, you'll see every 5 seconds the sun does go down just a tad bit. Pretty fire. Basically, what I'm doing right now is I'm taking what I have for our other server with the economy or whatever, and I'm just absolutely decimating it. But this server right here that I'm doing is kind of a joke. I turned off sleeping. You cannot sleep, but the day counter never goes past 0 because of how it always resets. But anyways, here I'm adding credit so you can have debt, loans, credit cards on top of your regular purchases. I'm gonna have to add debit as well. There's gonna be national debt. There's gonna be permits. Like right now I'm in adventure mode, so you need to buy building permits, which are only good for so long. You need to buy mining permits, and then there's gonna be inspectors. It's basically gonna be real life without real life. You're gonna leave your job and your debt to play Minecraft, and you're still gonna have to have a job and be in debt. But yeah, it's kind of fun watching the sunset in the game. But yeah, I disabled sleep because if you sleep, you wake up and it's still night. It doesn't do anything. Yeah, I can even try to set it back to day again. And within a few seconds, it just flips right back. What if I get really good credit and take a massive loan and just not have to pay it back? Because, you could do that. Your credit score would suffer, but nothing they can. The most they can do is try to sue you, I guess, for your money. Take you to claims. Man, I'm a freaking nerd. Except for the stupid command I can't get working. I don't know why. It's basically economy stuff, but not. And it's like, no. I need to rerun this actually so I can see the error again, but yeah, so shadows very, very slowly should kind of move, which these are harder to see because of how they're not rigid on the edges. Needs credit if you have money. Well, you gotta get money first. Right now, you only make, what is it, 12 bucks a minute? Oh, I just realized in regular Minecraft, in a regular server, I've been giving you. Wait, actually, here, if you want to join the call, I guess I can invite you here. But instead of, let me know if you want me to invite you to the server. But anyways, instead of paying you by the minute, I can make it hourly. So you're actually, I think I should be able to scrape off the web the minimum wage. So as the minimum wage adjusts, you make so my server automatically changes too when you get paid minimum wage in the game too. Swear.
Fuck!
Oh my gosh. Demonetized, and I'm not even monetized in the first place. What are they gonna do? YouTube. Oh, I was thinking of just the federal minimum wage. Which is is it still in the $7 mark? Was it like 7.20? $7.25. I was close. Yeah, that's it. $7.25. Crazy. Alright, where's my error at? No, oh, frick that. $48 updated. Length last removed. It's good. So I don't know what it's yapping about with dictionary. Oh. So I'm putting the dictionary back into itself. That's why you never rename your variables. And so permit data equals permit data. That should fix that issue. And so it'll be 11:41 in January. They just upped it too, I think. Cause I started at $11, which was the minimum wage which was above minimum wage actually. It was like 10.80. And minimum wage, I think that was in August. They did that. Effective January 1st. So what is it from the previous for 11/13? When did it go to? Thankfully, I did not have training wage. I just started right off the bat. The minimum wage in Minnesota was. I don't care about January 1st. I thought they did raise it not that long ago though. Or maybe that's when they announced it. Maybe that's what it was. That's probably when they announced it. I didn't get bothered by it because I was making more than that. I had moved up in the world. Permit length equals. What are you yapping about now? Oh, yeah, duh. I change all these to PD. Can't stop thinking about a certain person with that. I'm not gonna say who. Server folder. See, we're getting somewhere though. I don't. Oh, I can actually get the server folder from this. Just gotta steal the dir/discord server. Amazing, and that should do it. Since that was the issue, I think that should be able to do it now. Do we got permit? Oh, we got permit stuff. Yeah. The permit math is math, and now we just gotta make sure. Yeah, and it ran it again. It didn't subtract. Let's go. And if I change this instead of 1104. Wait, what did I do? The month? I really just need a month, don't I? What did I? Month day 11/4. Oh shoot. It means if I change it back a day, it's gonna run again, isn't it? Yep. All right. I forgot to. I do need to do a thing for that. So. Dot split. Do I even need the day? Yeah, okay. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing now. All right. So we need a last removed month, last removed day. So current is right now. Equals current dot split. Oh no, that's not what I want. I meant current split and PD split. Current split, I guess. Goes current dot split and PD last removed dot split. W indeed. Now I just gotta actually link it to the date. PD length. What the hell? I swear I heard something over here. I'm going crazy. Okay. Nice. I love that. Love going crazy. So, last removed month. It's not equal to current month. And the day is equal to the last removed date. Then it does all that. So only if it's on your day of expiration does it remove the month. So we'll try this now. I'm just gonna give myself a free year. Because I can. So, yep, now it's good. If I change the day to be the 8th. Sweet, it didn't run. So we're gonna move this back down to the 4th. And we're gonna make this. Actually, I'm gonna move this back up to the 8th. We're gonna change this down to the 10th. Okay. Now if I move this back down to the 4th. Sad. Oh, why don't we move you down? I'm gonna move you down here. Oh, is it because I'm actually stupid? Heh. Because I am stupid. Helps to use the variables you create. Fun fact. Who would have thought? So I should automatically move it up. Yeah. So 11, 11. Alright, so if I make this 8. Nothing should happen, right? 11. Yep, we're good. If I make you 10. We good? Yep. Move you back down to 4. We're good. We're good. So the permit math now works. If I get rid of my permits, it doesn't matter now if this is the wrong month. It should. Aha, it just ignores it now. So if I come over here, and I think I forgot to did I? We'll see. We'll see if I said it right. Permit. We'll do a mining one. We'll buy a mining permit for a month with my massive amount of oh shoot, I'm out of money. Oh no, I got money over here. So now we got a month. Although it'll never be used. So I did not set it like I thought I did. I'm gonna do that in a minute. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, we're back. Alrighty, so we just gotta make a minor adjustment and this should work flawlessly for permit handling in the backend. Now, after that, we just gotta figure out how we want to do the Minecraft side of it. But permit, we got permit. Got Kermit's permit. Amazing. Now I just gotta remember where I put it. Down here, up here, somewhat. What? Down here, here it is, permit. Yeah, see, I never moved it up. So we gotta change that. Gotta do last moved. We need to set that to be. Ugh, gotta steal my own code again. Date time. dt.strip time. I don't need that in here twice. There we go. So keep doing that. If it works, then just keep doing it. If you're gonna win by just crashing them out, then I'm gonna say just crash them out. Make them have a real life crash out by crashing them out in the game. And then you just win. It's just that easy. You figured it out. Just do it towards the end so that they can't push you into a wall. That's my advice for you. Okay, now to test that this worked. Ugh, Python floats. I want to do rounds constantly though. Alrighty. Burn. Let's see here. You got it. It's there. And it shouldn't be removed if my day were to be the 5th. So we're gonna do this amazing test. Go to settings. No, it doesn't work if it's under. But oh wait, I can literally just do that. Never mind. Put it back a bit. There. It's got nothing on me. Yeah. It won't activate until we match that day. Exactly. Gotta match the day. So I just realized the problem. If the month has 31 days and you buy it on the 31st day, a lot of months are like every other, so you'd get like a free month. So, I'm just gonna say, if it's the 31st, you're just out of luck and it goes to the 30th. Too bad. That's how the government works. They screw you over, and well, this bot is supposed to screw you over. So it's pretty accurate. What a happy coincidence. Sometimes you can get scammed out of a day. So we're just gonna come in here and we'll have that strip time. Here it is. Here it is, current split. Yeah, I don't feel like it. Well, if I have them split here. Oh, wait, no, I gotta do that one. I'm actually assigning it over here. So, okay, since there's not 31 months in a year, I can confidently just dot replace 31 with 30. It's just like that easy, I think. Like if I right now it's the fourth, so if I just replace the fourth with the third, it should do that. It should do that. Yeah, but that's a lot of extra math. Because here, all I'm doing is finding the current day. I'm not having to figure out what the next month crap is. I'm not having to do +1 on the. Yeah, no, that's just that. That's more effort. I'm not about that life. I'm lazy. I'm a lazy, stupid idiot. So I'm gonna keep being a lazy, stupid idiot. I. Okay, it does plus equal length. Okay, I was like, I just realized you won't be getting free stuff, but yeah, no, you will. Oh, wait. No, that won't do nothing. Okay, I was thinking, I had an exploit, but there is no exploit. We good. We safe. No exploit. I think you could just immediately after a month buy another one, and it pushes the date back. But like, your month's already gone. No matter what you do, the month just nah. So if you buy it, could you lose a month though? You might lose a month, but you know what? I ain't too concerned because this is just for funds. I don't think anyone's actually gonna be playing on this, so I'm not too concerned. I know I'm the best developer. I'm finding possible issues. I'm just like, oh well, who cares? Nobody. Nobody cares. So, anyways, this should work beautifully. I'm just gonna reset my number to 0. Oh, dare. Wow, my Wi-Fi is like dead. Wait, shoot, is my Wi-Fi dead? Speed test. Or is it just my phone? Well, my computer loaded a new message. Oh, my phone's getting 400. It's Discord. Discord mobile isn't loading for me. Oh, there we go. Yeah, anyways, best developer back in town is going back to screwing stuff up. All right, we're gonna turn this back into a 0-0 for authentic experience. Everything is reset. Alrighty, sweet. By length 1. So yeah, now it's the third. Instead of the fourth, it's the third. So it's just that easy. So I will switch this back to be 3130. And now we don't gotta worry about the days anymore. Amazing. I am so good at this game. 1710. So we got 2 things working for us. Now we got you know what? Actually, what I might do if I just realized this is gonna be super inefficient. If okay, yeah. It's only gonna run it for a minute actually. If dt.hour. Yeah. I have to do it that way now. See, I'm telling you, I'm the greatest person to be doing this. Ah. So yeah, if it's 1 in the morning, we don't want 1 in the morning. We want it gone instantly. 0. And dt.minute is also equal to 0. It'll run. So sure, it's going to be doing it for every freaking 5 seconds for a minute. But we don't care. So this just gets indented again. God damn. Gotta be more space than code. There's gotta be more space than code here. 32. 7. Double. Someone say bugs? I sure did. Well, technically, podcastering did, but there's gonna be bugs, but I'm ignoring them. And exploits. I know it's your favorite. Exploits. Eat them up. Alright, so this is gonna be a little bit less intensive on the CPU now. To not be running redundant code for 23 hours and 59 minutes of the day. Like I said, so now since you're here, I'll show you the time stuff too. So if I do /time set day, you'll see it is 7 o'clock. But if I come back into my bot and I run it, you'll notice my time is 5:13. So add 12 to put it to 24 hours, that's 17:13. And if I start the bot up and go back to Minecraft and give it a little bit to connect, you'll see 17:13. It is synced to my clock. I can try to do that same command again. Within a few seconds, it should just jump right back. So unfortunately, that also means I'm probably not going to make this a public server because if you live anywhere but here, it's going to not be synced. I'm out of food. Too bad, I'm admin. Oh, inflation went down by 3%. Of all my permits. Oh, look at that, 1714, the time updated on its own. I'm good at this. Yes. So now we got permits. I don't want to deal with the logistics of it quite yet. So I think I'm going to go straight to making credit. Credit cards. Loans. The only kind of debt I won't be adding right now is the national debt, because I still have to add nations, but oh well. Future problem. I'm going to clear this. Alrighty. What a beautiful timer. Actually, I could make this its own timer since it isn't interacting with the Archon. The issue is if I have multiple Archons running and they happen to run at the same time, it'll crash the second one. So I gotta make sure all of my Minecraft Archon timers run at the same time. Well, not the same time, but one after the other. The only issue with this being every 5 seconds is there's a high chance when my other commands fail. Actually, I could fix that issue. Possibly. If I increase the command retries to be like 3. I just didn't like having to wait for it when there's timeouts. But theoretically, now if I run a command and there's already a task running in the background, you're not gonna get blocked by it. or other way around, if this tries to run at the same time something else is running, it's not gonna crash the whole loop. So if this crashes, then tough luck. I don't actually know how to restart them without restarting the bot. So what I might actually do, since this is its own little thing, I might actually just kind of like save a whole one level. Oh, I don't even save any space. It's gonna be that indented anyways. Async def. And this one is the permits. Oh, actually, I don't want to name it the same as the other command. That's the main command. Permit removal. We just want to steal this command. And haha. Oh. That is an important. Oh, actually, that's really easy to get. Never mind. Yeah, it's super easy to get. I can get that. No problem. Oh, I got it. I don't know why that's not happy with me, but I don't care. Alright, so this one is gonna be... You know what? I'll be nice. I'll even make it run... We'll do 30 seconds. That way, if something happens to synchron, it's not screwed, because it only has a minute chance. So make it run twice in a minute. Just for a bit of redundancy. It's not like it's going to remove anything twice. And this one is permit removal. Permit removal. Permit removal. There we go. Organization is amazing. Got 2 timers going now. Oh yeah. Kind of should give it its information. Or I should say too much information. Should not give it too much information. There we go. Oh, sun should be setting pretty soon. It was fun to watch that yesterday, the sun go down. Oh, that's just blinding. Oh, looks better than this. Oh, I just read the sun isn't moving. Did it crash? It just hasn't started yet. What the heck? There we go. Ah, now it's moving down. Pixel by pixel every 5 seconds. Gorgeous. Shadows will be moving slowly. Okay, back to this. So credit card debt is what we're adding. So now we gotta add more to the economy. We can't just have bank anymore. So money, we're gonna rename money to cash. And I sure as hell don't have $5,308,000 in cash. No. I have $313 in cash. That 5,308 is in my bank. Sorry, 5,308,000 is in my bank. Okay, anyways. Free money transfer. Oh, transaction fees. Oh, I am a genius. I am totally gonna add transaction fees. My bank doesn't do them. I've never had a bank that did transaction fees for in-network transfers, but I'm gonna do that anyways because I'm mean and I'm evil and I can. So, anyways, cash, bank. We're gonna make your checking account. And we're gonna make a savings account. Of course, I ain't gonna be using the credit union kind of interest rate. Oh no no. We're doing a regular bank, so you're only gonna earn 0.15%. Sorry, did I say 0.15? I meant 0.015%. A saving. And credit card. Ooh, yes. So we got a credit. Ooh, we don't want credit though. We want credit card. Credit is it's gonna be its own thing in the economy. So credit 40. In real life, credit score of 40 means no credit. Damn. Savings. What do I want? Credit card. Got no money there. And finally, we're gonna have our loans. And that's gonna be its own dictionary. So as you get loans, you'll have different things for each loan. Hoo. And yes, there will be interest adding up on that. Oh man, I'm just creating a real life sim in Minecraft with the power of Python. Discord's just my middleman. Theoretically, I could do it without it. Instead of doing commands, I could just do functions and do a bunch of inputs instead. Oh, a beautiful desktop. Where did my Discord go? Why is Discord considered on this screen? What? Oh, why? I don't like that. Okay, anyways. So we got our data. We just gotta add it over here. And oh boy, is this gonna be a fun thing. So amount view. Well, we're gonna have to change this now. I think we're gonna have to change all of this. And I learned of a nice new little feature called autocomplete. So I should be able to do some pretty good logic, actually. So we'll keep this as it is. But I should be able to take the result of this and add another thing here And get the account actually. What does view? So like you can't withdraw from your loan account. The loan's already thrown in there. Thrown into your main account. That number you're seeing over there is just basically a negative balance. Oh, and then I can even add a net worth command. So you can see how much you're worth in terms of money. Oh boy, look at me. Too many ideas. Well, I need to stop being a poor bum. Probably clonking. Get me some cash. And the only thing I need to do, or it's not the only thing, one of the things I need to do is look at how much I'm paying people, because I don't want it to be too high. It should be $7.25 per hour. Because, well, that's what the US minimum wage is. Can't be paying people too much now, can we? No, no, no. So let's see. That is in the common resources under. Is it? No, it's not. Go back out. Holy buckets. Yeah, I'm already a little bit above minimum wage, only by 25 cents. Look at me. I do not care. I mean, it's only a little bit above 20,000. Only about double. And what is this? I never clocked out. Oh, somebody else is trying to. Well, in that case, dash add user. And we'll even do that for the other guys. And there we go. There should be no more no more skiers. Holy buckets, I didn't realize it was that long though. Oh, that's not even everything now. Okay. Credit cards. And debit cards. Oh, I just realized I never updated the database though. I just realized I have to add inequality. So here's what we're gonna do. Thanks for reminding me about my inequality. Corporate greed. Yeah. So, here's what we're gonna do. Give user that, right? No, name. No. If I dot user dot roles, that should be a list, right? Yeah. If bot admin. in user hours. Wage equals 7.25. But if you're about admin, is it copyrighted? There are some good Deltarune songs. Now wage is equal to $21.75. Hey, $21 an hour is so bad. $32 an hour. 32, yep. And the rich don't pay tax. So tax equals 0.07. Tax rate. And so your wage is 32 and your tax rate, why the rich don't pay taxes? So the tax, 0. Oh, I just realized an issue. I'm gonna need to make this a 1. You know what? For $1, being non-monetized, it don't matter if I get copyrighted or not. So I'll do it for $1. Hell yeah. I'm down. Anyways. Inequality. So tax. Oh, 7% sales tax, 2% income. That's really low. It's like 20% normally. It's actually tax rate. I do want it to be less than 1. Point 0.070. So actually, if that's the case, 20.2 times tax rate, and over here, I earned times wage. So now somebody beautiful like me, who has the I've done about admin on the server, you don't mind me. So hold on. I didn't want to do that. Oh no. I forgot about formatting. I don't care right now. That's all the math stuff. I don't care about that right now. I want to print the math stuff, the tax, and the earnings. So on a basic level, actually, so I don't have to keep restarting it. So after that little bit, you jerk. It's not like a print statement. Print statements are like that. Man. It's easy to fix. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, pow, bam. Amazing. Negative? Holy frick. Where's that coming from? Huh? Am I sure that's in the right order? Because it says my tax is higher than my earning. I don't even know what that is. Oh, is it just a loop? Is that just an infinite loop? Well, shoot, if we're doing it that way, might as well add one of those in here, because why not? We'll hit the recursion limit, actually, if I do it that way. Where was I? Got distracted now. Oh yeah, clock out. Well, I guess you can see how this is negative if this is higher. H. Wait, why are we dividing by 60? Oh, to get into a minute. Well, shoot, if we're moving for realism, 3,600 for an hour per hour. Haha. Anyways, I need to do some calculations. So we got... Oh, I'm not going to do it on my phone. I'll do it here. So we got... Let's say a minute. We'd be taking that divided by 60 times 720. Would be just 7. So yeah, a minute would be 720. I meant 50, but you know, 750 a minute. Easy. But now the tax rate is earned, so that'd be 60 times 0.2. I said times, not divide. It's 12. That is indeed higher. I can see why I did 0.02 now. Oh, no. My math isn't mathing. I think I know why my math isn't mathing. This should also be divided by 2, shouldn't it? Or 60. This should be put into the same... Because now this is going based off the raw seconds. I'm getting taxed 20% per second. This is being taxed... Or this is being earned. So if I run that... Yeah. Now we're talking. Alrighty. Now if I come here and I go to roles and I create a role, call it bot admin. We'll run this again. And now we'll see how much higher it is when I give myself bot admin. That should be 0. Oh. But I'm bot admin. Well then. We're just going to do the handy dandy amazing thing that I've done in the past, where you just print the variable. It's just that easy. I can see why it didn't work. Oh, you bitch. Why does that default to actually ping? Oh, it didn't. Okay, it did not ping. I thought it pinged. I panicked for a sec. I thought that pinged the whole 3 other people. Oh boy, joyous times. Anyways, I don't want the ID. Can I just? I know I have one of those stupid converters in here somewhere. Really? Must be in the actual main program. It's like the util or something. Yeah, remember that guild.rules name equals applicant. You're not gonna let me select it until I hit close? Crazy. Yeah, I shouldn't need this no more. It should now work flawlessly. If roll. I'm not gonna do that. Bot admin. And if I want to add more roles and jobs, it's really easy to just make a dictionary instead, honestly. I should probably be doing that regardless. So if I remove the role, and if I add the role, yes, no tax, higher rate. Amazing. So we now have inequality. Wow. I still kind of need my permits. Anyways, oh, I also need to make this hardcore. I forgot. Look at that. The sun is going down though. So yeah, the in-game time does work. Time does work. Anyways, what was I doing? Oh yeah, credit cards. Credit cards. Basically, the only thing your credit score. So I know realistically your credit score affects if you can get credit, but here it's not going to be if, it's going to be how much you get charged, and it's going to be exponential. The closer to 0 your score, the higher your fee. I think that's the way I'm going to do it here, because it's the simplest way to do it. Yeah. I don't know if that's... Alright. Well, before I do anything else, I should probably just, like... get this part of it working again. Oh wait, this part of it will be working again, though. Oh no, that's right, because I changed the layout. So it is now... Bank checking. Checking. What I need to do now, find every instance of Economy Bank. Change it to Economy Bank checking, I believe. So here and here. Here. No shot. I suppose we're checking. Well, I could just do replace all. And beautiful. And when I run it, yeah boy. Money too. Well, easy fix. It's just economy money. And economy bank money. I believe. Cash. It's just cash. Ain't no account. It ain't no bank. It was just cash. I see what I did. I remember. The memories, they come flooding back. Ew. I fixed that, didn't I? Yeah. But not over here. Ew. Strange. Here we go. Now if I come back over here. Oh, I love that. Brother. Cash. That's what it's called, isn't it? It sure is. So change inflation. No. Yep. It's in the change inflation. And because these other bozos don't have any. We gotta change that. So why don't I fix their data? With that, if somebody that has it figured out. I already have all that figured out. Alright, sweet. So I just need to go into the money. Till the yellow one closes again. I think that's all of them. Alright, now when it adds a user, it should change it automatically as well. Sounds like they have a skill issue. You should tell them to get good. Be like, just get good. It's not that hard, bro. Just be better. Yo, we ran without error. I should be able to go to bank log and see. Oh boy. Isn't that pleasant? Am I getting paid this whole time? Well, for an hour. But like 4 times. Because of the crashes. That's what I call monetizing. And bringing in the money. Because that's saved before inflation is adjusted, I believe. Yeah, it is. So amazing. Free money. But I, being the server owner, think I should be better than that. So, here's what we do. I go back to my old minute leap rate. While everybody else is at the hourly rate. Since there's no other bot admins, I can for now just adjust that. That's down here. So we'll just take this. And we don't want that to be per hour. We want this to be per minute. So instead of 32, multiplied it by 60. We get 12, 7, no, 8, so 192, right? 1920 is, so 32 times 60. $19.20. I did it. I'm pretty good at math sometimes. Not usually. That's a lie. That's actually a complete lie. I'm not good at math. Anyways. That is a big difference, but that's how it works in the real world. Anyways, what else is there for credit cards? Oh, probably the commands is a great place to start. So CH, CL, CR, DR. All right. Wait, we gotta add that as a payment option. I remember I was now bank. If I go to the bank, gotta add those options. 'Cause this is all wrong. When you do slash bank view. Why? It doesn't tell you anything about your other accounts. You can't even manage them. You can't pay off your debt. Oh, wait. It's supposed to be like that. That's a little bit of money. Does wealthy work? Hell yeah. That is broken. Wait. How? Wait. That shouldn't have happened. That don't question greatness, bro. That should have happened. What? Look at this guy. Literally has the audacity to don't question. Oh yeah, you gotta love the bots. Don't question. Yeah. Inception. Anyways, I just realized I only have bot admin. I don't have economy admin. So theoretically, I shouldn't be able to run this. Oh yeah, I have a bot turned off. Wait, how did it? Wait. And it, oh, look at the sunset happening now. I don't understand why it's letting these through. defeats the purpose of having hierarchies when you can just add money to yourself and become the rich. You're not supposed to be able to become rich. You're either poor or you join rich. You're not supposed to go rags from riches or rags to riches. You're supposed to just be rags or be riches. That's real life after all. The only way you're supposed to go from rags to riches is if you win the lottery. This has me question if even anything works. Like, I'm not able to just come here and I don't know. What's some random outrageous command I can just try running? Tax battle. Can I just like tax battle my tax battle? Holy mother of, how did it get that much money? But that should not be happening. Okay, seriously. How seriousness though, where did it get that money from? Oh yeah. All my building permits. So if I like damn. Okay. So if instead I do, does that change anything? So does that just not work? Wait. So you're telling me if I go to the main bot and I were to go to the main server, I were to remove my roles, go to bot commands. So that works there. So I guess there's two things the script can do. Do the command role, and it can't connect to a server for some reason. I don't know why it's broken like that. You know what? We're gonna say, oh well. For now. So it's not an actual problem yet. Alright, back to Minecraft but worse. I should rename that to be Minecraft but better. Oh hey, the stars are showing now. It's been long enough, you can see them. Gotta keep this running though, so that time keeps flowing nicely down there. I think that's like real time. It's crazy. Okay. Anyways. Credit. Bank. The hardest part is bank. But we can do this. We can do this quite easily. I'm kidding. No, not that easily. So when account type. So what we're gonna do is actually we're gonna put account before transaction. We're all better now. All right, so we need cash. And we want debit. And we want, oh, actually, we can't do it that way. So the way we're gonna have to do this is not very fun, honestly. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just gonna cheat it. Grab the old bot that I've been testing it on. 11 through CS rate 4. Oh, okay. So test it in the main one even. Hey. Look at me go. So if I need an open Discord, I can't really do it this way confidently. It's on my main screen, so we're gonna do it through Discord, or not Discord, Visual Studio. We're gonna open up a file here. Make it see what Lexicus, GitHub. Anyway, actually, this is gonna be a complicated thing. I'm just gonna do it next time instead. It's been 4 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna dip for now. I'll work on it in the background. I'll give an update on what I got tomorrow.